Emma, come down here if you want to play with her.
Oh, okay. But make sure she does not bite on my toes again.
Here, Molly. Come get the puppy.
I'll get all
Get
the
her.
toys.
Come get her.
This is Paisley's.
Look, Em, she's got it.
Paisley, want to go around?
Nice. Molly, ask Paisley to sit.
Sit.
Tell her sit.
Sit.
Don't push her down.